up in the mountain, so the propeller not that big. But when you see them up close, oh, that big.
So you okay?
Yeah, I think so. Because
Yeah? Think you know, can move around.
where was messy.
I hear you don't even go out too often, eh?
We build looking TV.
Yeah.
Oh,
How's your wife? All right. Yeah? Oh. Yeah. No too many hungry guys now, you know. Yeah.
Today's Western now.
Well, you better stay healthy.
But lucky, they said no heavy rain, only light rain.
So most of the time, what do you do? Stay home.
See, back home, more the west side.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe see the dog.
That's corner, yeah.
Hey, by the way, where you live in? Kaului. Oh, Wailuko. Yeah. So I was thinking drop over, bring some manapur, but we don't know where you stay. Yeah.
Stacy, you gotta go right.
Okay.
Yeah, now we're gonna we're riding around to
Anpunene
No, just keep on going.
Oh.
yeah. Where we going?
Makawao.
Makawao.
Yeah, this is Hana Highway.
Yeah, and your house is where? Wailuko.
We can on the way down.
Oh,
See that guy
we're on the
turning
way
right?
down Wailuko.
Follow the truck.
Oh. Where's the new road?
Yeah. Yeah, too bad we don't can see you guys.
I see a lot of showcases.
Long time we don't see you. I don't even know how you look like now.
Yes, you got
Yeah?
No, not Maui.
Yeah.
Yeah. Plenty right there. Yeah, those time you fall in. And that, what that guy name, Fisk, the contractor.
Mizu.
Oh, that, we saw you, the kind, Arumizu, the contractor.
Arizumi.
Arizumi.
At the funeral, you know, Toast funeral. So we saw him up at Kiko house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
His wife was an Arizumi.
So you, most of the time you stay home there. Yeah? Yeah. Oh. Yeah, just like us, the daughter took away our license. Well, if we go down your way, maybe we'll jump over.
We
Okay?
can go in the afternoon, Goro.
Maybe we go afternoon. Yeah. If we can't find your house, we might jump over. Yeah? Okay? Okay, bye.